Hey guys, and welcome to our video with the balance method. Today's video, we're looking at balancing with division. So the first problem we have is x divided by 7 equals 8. Okay, so it could also be written like this. Okay, even though it looks like a fraction, what it's saying is it's saying the number on the top divided by the number on the bottom. Okay, and the way I like to think of it is if this is a division symbol, that is x in this case, and that is 7. So the division is, like a big fraction, okay? So anyway, we need to go about solving this. We want to always get x by itself, and that will tell us what x equals. So x divided by 7 times 7, okay? We know to do that because it will cancel each other out. So we're left with just x, okay, equals 8 times 7. What you do to one side, you have to do the other side. So x equals 8 times 7, x equals 56. Okay, now I'm going to show you what happens when we leave it as just a fraction, or in this format here. So x divided by 4, okay, times by 4. Cancel, cancel. Left with just our x equals 20 times 4. X equals 20 times 4. X equals 80. Okay, pretty straightforward. Let's just double check. We put those both back in the equation. If you make x 56, 56 divided by 7 does indeed equal 8, and 80 divided by 4 does indeed equal 20. Now, these next two problems are a little bit more tricky. As you can see, I've put out what it actually is. 30 divided by x, our x is in the wrong place. It's a bit like with a subtraction. X is in the wrong place, and we can't quite move it out. Because what would happen here is if we divided this by 30, it's not going to cancel that 30 out. So we've got to be a bit creative. Now, let's actually think, what is the problem actually asking us? The problem is saying 30 divided by x equals 5. So that's also saying that if we multiply x and 5, if we times them together, it's going to equal 30. So what we can do is we can rewrite that problem as 5x equals 30. That is the same thing, okay? Because 30 divided by x gave us 5. So we know that x times 5 is going to give us 30. So we rewrite it like that. And then this is really straightforward. We can then write it as 5x divided by 5 equals 30 divided by 5. Okay, we know what happens there. The 5s cancel each other out, and we're left with just x. And from the other side, 30 divided by 5 is 6. X equals 6. Okay, Mrs. Z needs also to learn how to write straight. Same deal here. We can rewrite this problem as 2x equals 18. So all I'm doing is I'm taking the top number, putting on the other side of the equal sign, and doing the, and whatever was happening here, doing the opposite and putting the 2 of it. Okay, because we know that 18 divided by x is going to give us 2, which is the same as saying 2 times x is going to give us 18. Okay, so really straightforward. Divide it by 2. No, I need to rub that up. Sorry, boys, we're not quite ready for that. So that's our rewriting of the equation. Then we go 2x divided by 2 equals 18 divided by 2. 2's cancel each other out. So we're left with x from this side, and 18 divided by 2 is 9. Now let's quickly put them both back into the equation. 30 divided by 6 does indeed equal 5, and 18 divided by 9 does indeed equal 2. Thanks for watching the video. Have fun, give it a go, and make sure you ask plenty of questions.